Good day, it's me again, and for this video, I will be making another 3D figure in AutoCAD, and that will be this one here. I'll start again with part by part, following the top view of this figure. So basically, I'll start with this reverse C-shaped part. I'll make an imaginary line, so type Command L, 0 and 0 as its coordinates, then drag the line to the right and 20 as its length. Tab 0 degree. Then make a line again, starting from this point, drag it upwards with 11 as its length. Now to get the next length, I'll just subtract 11 from 51, which is equal to 41. Then drag the crosshair up with the length 18, then to the left with 41 as its length, up again with the length 11, then right, and type 52 for the length. Adding these three lengths here, 11, 18, and 11, will give the length 40. It will be just this side, so I'll type that and close the figure. I'll just delete the imaginary line and connect all the lines by using Command Region and select all of these lines, enter. Next is to proceed in making this figure 3D. So I'll change the view into isometric. So type press pull, select this figure, and drag it upwards. I'll round up all the edges first. So type Command Fillet Edge, then select all the edges and enter. Select the radius and type 16, enter. And change the visual style as well into realistic. Next, I'll create this imaginary line here to create the circle in this part. So type Command L, start from the midpoint of this side and type 36 as its length, enter. Then type Command C, since it's a diameter, select diameter in the command bar and 16. Then delete the imaginary line, and I'll just repeat that to the other side. Then type press pull to make the hole on both sides. Now for the round part here, I'll create first a circle here with a diameter of 18. So Command C, locate the center of this part, select the diameter in the command bar, and type 18 and enter. Next, type the command press pull, select the circle, and drag it to this direction with a length of 42. And check the rest of its sides by using the command 3DO. So that would be all. Thank you and see you soon.